Put it on the bird bath. Come around. Come here. That's the bird bath. Fill it up. Nice. I love it. Good job. And that's our bird bath. So when they drink, they will come here and yum 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 yum. Woo! It's so windy. Are you playing the bird bath? There. Nice. It's pretty. Right? Okay, and we can put some bird seed here. We have here our bird feeder. 1 and 2.
Bird's house?
Bird seed. You put it here. I'll show you. Here. Like this. There. Fill it up. Fill it up. Fill it up. And there. Good job. More. A little bit more. Fill it up. Like this. Yes. Oh. Good job. Yay. Okay. And fill this up more. Put all everything there. Good job. Nice. Okay, and cover. Good job. Yeah. And cover this one too. Good job. And there. That's our bird seed feeder. There. Look at that, Tiffany.
What?
And one more here for the birds to eat.
Next bird's seeds.
Yeah, we put some tiny seed. So we're gonna put one here. There. So we have 2. 1 and 2. This one. One more to have. There. Pretty. Yay. Yep. Ah. Nice. You love it?
Now get the tiny seed. Let's get the tiny
Oh, I
seed.
found a ducky. Oh, swan. It's a swan. And I found a frog. Hi, frog.
It's a
Hi.
turtle.
Hey, it's a turtle. I thought it's a frog. And another swan and a flower. And my Tiffany.
There's another duck.
It's a swan. I love this one. Pretty.
Mom, let's get the tiny seed.
Tiny seed. There. What are you doing here, guys? What are your names?
Ducks.
Oh, he's hiding. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Here I come. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Over here.
Yeah. What are their names? They are my friends. Hi, friends.
Mama,
Let's
oh,
go
Mom,
inside.
Carrie.
It's so windy.
Carrie.
Okay, yeah, look at the seed. Whoa.
There's a dragon.
That's for the birds. Come on, birds. Come on. And after they eat, they go here and drink. Sister, drink.
That's the bathtub.
Yeah, that's the bath. Bird bath. They can bath here. They can drink. We'll get this one. Wow, I love it.
Mom, let's go inside.
Let's go. Okay, we'll get this one. Say bye, birds.
Bye, birds.
See you later.
See you later.
Enjoy your water. Enjoy your food. And have a happy day. Bye bye. Where's the bumblebee? No bumblebee. No. Where is the ladybug? The ladybug. The ladybug. The ladybug is hiding. Hiding there. Hiding here. Hiding everywhere. No. That's your boots.
No.
Okay. Bye, bird.